Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. Windalco's parent company Rusal is facing a tough market for aluminium as it negotiates new supply contracts for 2020. According to Reuters, the Russian aluminium group says trade wars and an economic slowdown have created a buyer's market for aluminium. Rusal is hoping to win back clients lost a year ago when U.S. sanctions hit the company's bottom line. Aluminium prices have fallen about 10% from their 2019 peak in March, and a spokesman for Rusal says global consumption for the metal declined this year for the first time in more than a decade. Aluminium producers have been under pressure to cut prices in their 2020 contracts due to weak market conditions. However, Rusal, the world's largest aluminium producer outside China, expects to win back the majority of its clients. The company also expects global demand and prices to start recovering by the second half of 2020. Competition is increasing in the motor vehicle insurance industry with a new digital platform which makes it easier for policyholders to switch insurers. It was launched earlier this month by Marathon Insurance Brokers. The system allows motorists to compare insurance rates online. Marketing manager at Marathon Insurance, Romain Young, says the authorities have given the system the nod of approval.
The system was developed by software developers from all over the world. You name it, India, Canada, the US, Ukraine, Russia. And certainly we had to get regulatory approval from the FSC and also the buy-in from the insurers, which we're proud to say that we have achieved. We also have received approval from the tax authority and also from the police. So it is 100% go, 100% legit.
Kingston Properties is looking to raise $2 billion through a rights issue. Each new share will be sold for $5.62. This is below the company's current book value of about $6 per share. Kingston Properties CEO Kevin Richards says the money will be used to buy more commercial properties in Jamaica. The company is hoping the acquisitions will boost its rental income.
We're basically going to be doubling the size of our portfolio. Last full year, we had a rental revenue of $204 million. This year, we're likely to be higher by a minimum of 10%. In 2020, the full year after we acquired additional properties, it is possible that we could double rental income or even more.
Mr. Richards says Kingston Properties is playing it safe by investing in low-risk properties.
We've never really gone into development, stay away from development risk. So we acquire properties that are already existing as warehouses, or they're properties that we consider value-add properties where, you acquire those properties, you make improvements, and maybe attract new tenants.
In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 4,852 points to close at almost 500,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 63 stocks, of which 26 advanced, 28 declined, and 9 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 56 points to close at over 3,000. Stocks advanced for AMG Packaging and Paper, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Cement, Siboney Group, and Derrimon Trading Company. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments, Access Financial, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, and Caribbean Flavors. Trading firm were Caribbean Producers, Indies Pharma Jamaica, Knutsford Express Services, Paramount Trading, and QWI Investments Limited. Wigton Wind Farm Limited was the volume leader with over 14 million units, followed by Lasco Distributors Limited with just over 7 million units, and Sagicor Select Funds with 5.2 million units. And news in oil. Oil fell for a second day on Tuesday, dropping below $62 a barrel on limited progress toward resolving the U.S.-China trade dispute, higher than expected Norwegian oil output, and forecasts of rising U.S. crude inventories. Brent crude futures fell 89 cents to trade at $61.55. Meanwhile, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 97 cents to $56.08 per barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.